Chapter 11, 5A, we're going to journalize purchase transactions. So we are purchasing items that we are then going to turn around and sell as a merchandising business. So on May 30th it said we purchased merchandise from Reed's for $6,100. The invoice number was 321 and it was dated May 1st, terms in 30. So keep in mind that terms in 30 means net is due in 30. So all that is telling us is that we have to pay this by within 30 days. And by net it's the total. Okay? Excuse me. So we debited our purchases account for $6,100 and we've bought it on account. That's why they're giving us an invoice and telling us the payment's due in 30 days. So we're going to debit accounts payable, but then we're also going to further debit the individual subsidiary account for our vendor Reed for $6,100. Then on the 9th, we're going to buy something else. We purchased merchandise from someone else for $2,500. Only the terms here are 2, 10, and 30. So right now that 2, 10, and 30 doesn't mean anything to us because we're buying it. So we don't know if we're going to pay it early or not. So we always do the original purchase for the original amount of $2,500. We debit purchases for $2,500 and credit accounts payable and the subsidiary account for the vendor for $2,500. But that 2, 10, and 30 takes into effect when we decide to turn around and pay them. If we pay them within 10 days, we can take a 2% discount. Otherwise, we have to pay the full $2,500 in 30 days. Then on the 18th, we purchased from another distributor $2,200, and this time the terms are 1, 15, and 30. So same idea. We're still going to record this at the original amount of $2,200 by debiting our purchases account and crediting our accounts payable account as well as subsidiary individual account for our vendor for the $2,200. Now when we turn around and pay this, if we pay it within 15 days, we can take a 1% discount and not pay them that 1%, or we can pay it all within 30 days. The 23rd, same idea, making a purchase of $5,300. So we're going to debit purchases, credit accounts payable, and further credit the individual subsidiary account for Brown. And the fact that we have a credit terms of 1, 10, and 30 doesn't matter. That's only going to matter when we turn around and pay it.